In this video, we're going to figure out what the vector is that translates the preimage onto the image. Now remember, the vector is just the shorthand version of the mathematical representation, but it looks like this with two little arrow things pointing in the opposite direction. They look like a less than and a greater than sign. You can remember vector by the symbols because these look like little letter V's that are just on their sides, and vector starts with the letter V, so that's an easy way to remember it. Okay, so when we talk about vectors, we want to see how far the image, the preimage, moves from the left to the right and up and down to get to the image. So it looks like from here, the preimage, if I look at this point and I look at this point doesn't move to the left or to the right at all to get to this point. So the first coordinate is going to be a 0 because it does not shift on the x coordinate at all. For the y coordinate, it does move down, but we got to count how many it does move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from this point to this point, the preimage shifts down 8. And in order to represent a shift downward on the y-axis, we make that a negative. So the vector to represent the preimage to the image is 0, -8.